Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
We have defeated them. They came today to announce that Simon Ekpa have been arrested by Interpol. I do not know what crime Simon Ekpa have committed that they are going to arrest Simon Ekpa in airport, trying to run away from Finland to Israel. They say they sued Simon Ekpa. It become a problem. Ọkpụkpụ mbụ abụrụ ọkpụkpụ na-anọ mmadụ n'onu onye aha ka dị ndụ. No. Ọkpụkpụ nke mụ ọ nọrọ gị n'onu o gbuo gị pii. No matter what, you can't take it out. Agbago mụ Nigeria n'onu, gbaa ndị iro Biafra n'onu, gbaa ndị si na Biafra agaghị abịa in 2023 n'onu. Arọ m ha n'onu na-akụ ha wọwọ wotowoto. Ọkpụkpụ a, you can never swallow it and you can never bring it out. So I want you people to understand that propaganda is ongoing. They even say they are signing petition to arrest Simon Ekpa. I do not know, what kind of petition they are signing to arrest Simon Ekpa for other reasons. These people don't understand that we are actually in freedom fighting. Freedom fighting where we do not validate Nigeria state. We are fighting for our freedom. Nigeria state have committed war crime, genocide, crime against humanity in our land, leading us to take the decisive decision we are taking today. And every necessary measure will be taken to make sure that we save Biafrans from Nigeria come 2023. And somebody called Yul Edochie. Is writing to Simon Ekpa. All of them, you are going to write. You must write about Biafra. You must write about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You must write about Simon Ekpa. Whether you like it or not, you must. All of them are now writing. These are people who could not even utter a word while people are being lynched, killed, butchered, and killed in Biafra land. All of them paid deaf ear because of selfish interest, political motivated blackmailing and advice. Yul Edochie, I thought his own is to kiss women, just like they were telling the other living in bondage. His own is to do ọgwụ ego na movie. Or art ọgwụ ego, omenka ọzọ, owere ya na-make money. I don't see what he has contributed to the freedom of people. I don't know what Yul Edochie have contributed to the plight of Ndigbo. Every contribution of Yul Edochie is negative. Negative to the society. The only thing he do is to adulterate the mind of our people. There is nothing. Rituals. It does not represent our culture. You act a movie, you disappear, you appear, you use somebody to do money ritual. You go to Malaysia, you carry drug, you go there, you pianka, you come, you smoke, does that in any way represent our value? Nothing. No, it's complete rubbish. When Biafra come, we are going to make sure that Yul Edochie acting can never ever enter market in Biafra land, because these are the things that have destroyed our society. So all of them are Nollywood. Your movie doesn't make sense. Your movie only is killing the society. Your movie is the reason everybody is going into internet scamming. Your movie is the reason why people can no longer walk. Young men, they want to be like you in the movie. They don't know that movie is a movie. It is not real. It is because of you, Yul Edochie, that people can begin to look for their mother to use to do ritual in the name of making money ritual. That is the thing you are teaching our society. You can never do that in Biafra Republic. Never. I get sense here, censoring you, all this your people have. You have not affected any Igbo life positively. We are going to censor it. You see, let me tell you, value to human life will return back to Biafra, whom we are. Everything those people of Nollywood, Yul Edochie, is doing is to destroy the culture of Ndi-Igbo, destroy our moral value system, destroy everything. And they are making money. Everybody, movie is coming. Your mother is here. Come. I get begonu. Get begonu. That is the things Yul Edochie is acting. And are they funny? Are they funny? So I don't know who is Yul Edochie to advise us how to get Biafra. To advise us what is it that we can do to get Biafra. Yul Edochie don't have any moral justification to even open his mouth and say, do this to get Biafra, because he has not even demonstrated that he wants to leave Nigeria. So how can he advise us? First of all, Yul Edochie, before he can advise what is going to give us Biafra, should first of all understand that Nigeria is not working again. Then we will listen to him. So he cannot be fighting for one Nigeria and be telling us that sit at home is not working. And by the way, who told him that we said we are going to get Biafra through sit at home? We never said such. We never said such. You know, this time around, everybody is countering Simon Ekpa. Everybody is writing letter to Simon Ekpa. So you have to write it. Before you were not writing it. Before you were not writing it. Before you were not writing it. Before you didn't even know that Simon Ekpa exists. But now you are being forced to write it. Because you know Manoko na you go. And when Simon Ekpa want to quench the fire, all the quench here pay. The reason why everything in Nigeria have gathered to fight me and God and Biafra and autopilot is because Okohan Chaninega once. Their light will quench once. It is because of the time frame we have to this freedom. Have you not watched how we have ended everybody that fight us from the beginning of this whole saga? Everybody that fought this movement has always gone down. If you fight it, you go down. That is the reason why Nigeria, everything joined together to fight, because they are all going to go down once. And that is what is happening now. I want you to understand that the spirit of Biafra has taken over. And the Nigeria government will go down. The state, all these media houses that have been blackmailing us, they will go down. All these people that are talking against they will all go down. I am telling you, go and mark it. All of them. All of them will go down. So tell Yul Edochie that he is not in a position to advise Biafrans what to do to get Biafra, because he never acknowledged and validated Biafra freedom. Until he do that, then we can begin to listen to him, because we will now say, okay, it's like this, have the interest of Biafra. We are not fighting Igbo nation. This has nothing to do with Igbo nation, because that is what the Fulanis want you to be saying. And we are not buying into anything Igbo this, Igbo that. We are fighting for the freedom of Biafra. Igbos are not just Biafra. Biafra is part of Igbo. Igbo is part of Biafra. So anybody coming to tell you about Igbo nation, they are all one Nigeria, because that is the tactics they use to divide us. And we're not going to accept that. So I'm not here to talk about Igbo nation.
The truth of the matter is, right now we are so surprised how a lot of people are raising up their voice to speak against or about the sit at home. But you know that a lot of lives has been going down, not today, but we didn't see that anybody carry it this way. If the way everybody is now raising up their voice against Simon Ekpa, if this is the way we condemn the federal government of Nigeria, or the atrocity, or the governors, or the leaders, or the Hanese, everything that happens that we see that is not going right, the country would have been a better place. But no, hypocrites, that is what is wrong with us. We are just pretenders. We are not speaking so that they will say, oh, we so much love the people in Southeast, we so much love the Igbos so much love themselves. You people are all hypocrites. This is a situation whereby 14 innocent young guys, even if we did not even remember any recent one, let's just remember this, coming from wedding, they were deleted by the same Ebube Ago, but nobody raised alarm. We didn't see all this. We didn't see all this tweet, all this statement, all this petition. We did not see it. But now, a lot of people, now daybreak, you now remember that things are going out of hand. Come on, rise up and do the needful so that peace will reign. Even when the court said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is discharged, how many people talks about it? Why can't we also as well talk to Muhammadu Buhari to obey court order? Put it in petition, put it in writing that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been discharged, but the federal government of Nigeria is still holding him. Why don't you put these people, the people that they take their life every day in such a part of Nigeria, you don't put them in writing? Hypocrites everywhere. So my other family, this is a strong message to Yul Edochie from Simon Ekpa. So please share this video to him, so that he will come and present his name because we are patiently waiting for him. So thank you so much always for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned as I bring you all the latest updates. Thank you and bye bye.